We've got a number of integral sensors. These sensors all are sensor ready, connect straight to a D4i driver, and they're all Bluetooth. So commissioned using an app, our Koolmesh app, but plugged directly into a D4i driver. Photocell for daylight harvesting. This particular one is actually the same as this one, but with a different bezel, so it mounts nicely, perhaps in a diffuser luminaire. These are also Zhaga-compatible, so they've got a standard Zhaga-compatible connection for the DALI. We then have a range of products that use a control base. So we have a number of control bases. This is the most popular one. This is the DALI control base. So you can see you've got live neutral on earth input and DALI output, and also 2 switch inputs, so 2 push inputs for connecting push to make switches. You've also got an RJ12 connector for connecting sensors onto this device. So this device turns your standard DALI luminaire into a Bluetooth luminaire, but also you can add a sensor if you want to. And there's a large number of sensors that you can add to that control base. This is a small PIR, 20mm entry, with a lock nut on the back, so you just have a hole in your diffuser or in your metalwork of your luminaire. That sensor sits in the hole and plugs into the control base using the RJ12 connector. We can do this with Bluetooth, and usually use Bluetooth to control these, our Koolmesh system, and it can be done one of 2 ways. The Bluetooth can be in the control base of the sensor, or the Bluetooth can be in the actual sensor itself. The reason we do this is sometimes the control base is buried within the luminaire, and it makes it difficult for the Bluetooth to escape. So if you use the Bluetooth in the sensor itself, the Bluetooth comes out of the lens of the sensor, and you get better Bluetooth connected metal. This is a little microwave sensor that you mount on the gear tray of the luminaire, and then it plugs into the control base. Again, we can do it with the Bluetooth in the microwave or with the Bluetooth in the control base, so it makes it easy to work out which way you want to work. The great thing about the microwave, of course, is that it senses through the diffuser. So you mount that on your gear tray and it diffuser, and it sees through the diffuser, so you don't know that there's a sensor there, and of course Bluetooth as well. And then we've got all these different PIRs. This is an IP rated version, so this is rated at IP54, so you can use it in anti-corrosive or corrosion resistant luminaires or external bulkheads, that kind of thing. Again, it just plugs straight into the control base. Because it's got a bigger lens, it's got a bigger detection range. In theory, the smaller the lens, the smaller the detection range. So some of the smaller products do have a slightly reduced detection range. So we do one with a bigger lens, IP rated, just gives you that slightly larger detection range. And then that lens then comes in, that's for integral mounting with a 20mm entry. That's like a surface mount version. And there are all sorts of different versions of that sensor with different mounting options. This is a very small PIR, again for mounting through the diffuser normally of a product. So you can see it's very neat, very small. You'd only see the circular part of the PIR mounted through the diffuser. Again, just plugs into the control body. And then we do products like this, which is a directional PIR. Recessed directional PIR, mounts in the ceiling, but again just plugs into the control body. The control body has got cable covers and strain relief, so you can connect the luminaire straight into the control body and then just put it in the ceiling. It can just sit in the ceiling. That meets all the building and wiring regs because it has got strain relief and cable covers. It doesn't need to be mounted inside any kind of enclosure.